Hey everyone, I hope you had a good holiday season, a good Christmas, and a good New Year's. We're back in the swing of things as of today. We've started our first round of the year, which is our spring Preemergent application, and I wanted to make you aware, let you know of a change that we've made, something new that we're doing that we've never done in the past. And yes, it has to do with why this yard has a bluish greenish look to it. I've talked a lot about in the past, made several videos about the importance of, in any pre-emergent application, getting a nice thorough application, a nice even application over the entire lawn. If you start missing places here and there, if you start applying certain areas too lightly, that's when you're going to have breakthrough in weeds in those areas come later on in the season. So that's actually a very difficult thing to do with a liquid application that you can't see. You don't know where you've sprayed, where you haven't. If you've accidentally applied it too light in certain areas, you just can't see it. And for a long time now, for years and years, there actually have been products on the market called tracker dyes that are made to help with that. They're made specifically for lawn care applications for you to mix in with your product so that you know where you've sprayed, where you haven't, and if you've got a nice even coverage across your entire lawn. So I don't know what took so long, why we haven't done this in the past, but we're starting to use those products this year. We're mixing it in with our spring pre-emergent applications so that our technicians can see where they've sprayed, where they haven't, and then get a nice even application across the entire lawn. So if you're around town and you start seeing yards that have this bluish green tint to them, that's what it is. It's the spring pre-emergent application that has this dye mixed in it, so that we can make sure that we're getting good coverage across the lawns that we spray. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. We're glad to help you out. Thanks.